I used to argue quite a bit with someone important in my life. They are a type of person who doesn't really remember their mistakes. Like, if something goes wrong, but the consequences are not too serious, I just call it bad luck and move on. Super quick to forget it ever happened. The problem is, because they did not remember their mistakes, they ended up repeating the same ones a few times. And those mistakes, they didn't just affect them, they affected me and a few people around us too. Now, I've got my own stuff going on. I don't have the time and energy to constantly deal with the aftermath of someone else's decisions, you know? So sometimes, during arguments, I would bring up those past situations, not to blame them, but just to explain why I was upset and why it kept becoming a problem. But they would always say things like, "If it already happened, just let it go. You're always bringing up the past." And honestly, that shut me up a few times. Like, am I holding on to stuff too much? I just don't want to deal with the same issue over and over again, especially when it's avoidable and keeps affecting other people. Luckily, after a few heated arguments, they actually started to change. They became more self-aware, and since then, life has been a lot smoother for both of us. Anyway, I just wanted to share a little headache story with you. What you think? Is it okay to bring up someone's past mistakes in an argument if they keep repeating them? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Take care and peace. Hey guys, I've just released an ebook guide on mastering campfire cooking for beginners. It's available on Amazon Kindle. Check out the link in the description and comments.